Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about methods, but more specifically we are going to create functions. Okay, so let's start by creating a method or a function that is capable of making some operation. Okay, so first of all we're gonna use static. Okay, we're gonna use the int data type, because we're going to return an integer, and let's give it a name. So the name of the first function is going to be add. Okay, this will be a function that would be adding two numbers. So the arguments would be an integer. We're going to call number 1, and we're going to put a comma. Okay, and int number 2. So we're going to pass two numbers. And what we could do here is to create a number int result, okay, which will be equal number 1 plus number 2. And then to return the result, we're going to use the keyword return and result. So that is one way to do it. So what we can now do is to type console.writeLine, and let's call the function add. As you guys can see, I have some syntax highlight right there. I'm gonna pass two numbers, 5 and 6. So if I call a function inside of the function, the order will be preserved. So you can pretty much know that this will print the result of this operation, which is 11. Okay, so this is our first function or method. Let's create another one. I'm just going to copy and paste to gain a little bit of time. So this function would be multiply. Let's change this by times. This would be divide and slash. This would be subtract. This would be a minus signal. So as guys can see, let me just try to show this. As you guys can see, we have divide. So we have 4 functions. Okay, all of them are very similar, but that's not the point. The point is that if you wanna have a more complicated function, such as calculating the diameter of a cylinder or something like that, or calculating the volume of a sphere or something like that, you could write your own function. Okay, there is very possible. So and the thing is that you're gonna need to write some more complicated functions. Okay, so if I pass right here, let me see, res, which would be equal multiplication, multiply 9. Okay, and if I call console.writeLine res, I'm gonna print the output for the multiplication of 9 times 9. So if you execute, we're gonna see 81. Okay, so you guys, I think you guys have a clue how to do this. Okay, that's not very difficult, but you guys need to pay attention to some conveniences that are, for instance, the name of the function. Okay, the data types. In this case, I'm using integers, but you could use doubles. Okay, to store the numbers. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you guys next time.